everyone, welcome to my channel Greet Tarot. So how are you guys doing? I hope you're doing good, being safe and healthy. If you're new to my channel, if you like the content, please give it a like, subscribe, comment or a share. Or if you have already subscribed, thank you for subscribing, thank you for the support guys, means a lot. Okay, so in the description box below I have my Instagram page linked. If you want to follow me there, please go ahead and give it a follow guys. Okay, so today I'm going to do like a flip through of this deck. This is the Fairy Tarot. I wanted to do it, I don't know, I felt like doing it, so I'm doing it. Okay, so yeah, a very like fairy I was very, when I bought this deck I was very happy. That's the thing, I just felt very happy, so that's why maybe I wanted to do a flip through here. Okay, so I'm doing a small pick a card also with this, so I'll just do the flip through and then we will go with the messages from the fairy pick a card reading. Okay, so if you don't want to watch the flip through, you can just go, and in the description box I'll be providing the timestamps, so you can just skip this. Okay, so if you want to watch it, continue watching. Okay, so yeah, and then the pick a card, I thought I will just add this deck and I'll be using this fairy dust, this deck. Okay, and I thought I will just put some charms and letters also, so yeah, we'll make it a pick a card. Okay, anyways, so let's go ahead and look at this. Okay, so this is the box. The box is like not so, it's okayish. I don't, it's like I don't think it's like that good anyways. Okay, so this is the box. Okay, so Antonio Lupatelli is the author, I guess. That's what they have written here. I'm not so sure, I didn't research about it. Let's see anyways. Okay, so this is the box. So let's see. So this is the guidebook. The guidebook, pretty small guidebook, and they have like 5 languages in this, so it's not a beginner friendly deck. Okay, so yeah, if you are into tarot and all, so of course no problem. So yeah, so this is the guidebook here, and then we have, oh yeah, these two like extra, their website or something. These are the 2 extra cards there. So yeah, so let's see the cards. Okay, let's see. Okay, so I'll keep it here. Let's see. So this is the back of the deck here. This is like this is also nice, right? I like it. Anyways, the design is also nice. So let's see. Yeah, let's start. Okay, so this is the Fool card. Okay, interesting, right? I love it. The energy is very fun, teasing, because I feel fairies are teasing. They love to tease, like love to have fun. So that is like I actually today I bought this deck and I couldn't wait to see, and so I saw, and I was very happy when I just when I was seeing the deck. The energy is very happy, pleasant. Okay, so I just love that. Okay, so this is the Fool card over here, so I'm gonna keep it like this, I guess. So I'll just show you one cards, that's better. So this is the Fool card over here. Interesting, right? It's nice. The moon, like, yeah, interesting. Anyways, this is the first card, Magician. Okay, so yeah, if you're not familiar with tarot, they have only the numbers, so it's not a beginner friendly deck. Okay, so this is Magician. Yeah, the owl here, the Magician, strong energy there. Then we have our High Priestess. Wow. Then we have Empress. The symbols are like good, guess. So for Emperor, look at this, the animals, there are some, yeah, it's good. Yeah, we have that. So yeah, while reading you can use that also, the symbols are like good. You can read it intuitively, I guess, so it's great for that, I feel. Then 5 Hierophant. The cat, you know, the psychic. Yeah, because it's like nice. And they have the keys. I feel like that. The books. Look at that. The cards are nice. Like I like the you know, the art. It's good. Wow, this is beautiful. The lovers. It's like just I feel like a childish energy here. It's beautiful. Then we have chariot. Look at that. Wow. Okay, then we have, okay, so in this the justice is 8 number actually, you know, the strength, you know, in the tarot it's like the strength card will be the 8 number. In this deck we have justice as 8 number. Look, so yeah, that's also awesome here. Okay, I'll do. Then next we have hermit. Wow, look at that. Who is disturbing me? I just felt like that someone came and he's not liking it. Who is disturbing me? He's saying out. That's fun. I just felt like that. You know, don't disturb me. I'm in my own heaven. I'm very happy alone. Anyways, that's, oh, this is also beautiful. It's nice. Then we have like, yeah, this 11 strength card here. Cool. Then we have hanged man. Okay. Okay, this is the death card. We have the snake. Wow, temperance is beautiful with the rainbow. Look at that. Wow. The art is very nice, I think. Feel very. Okay, so we have the devil here. The troll, I guess. Yeah, it's the troll. Yes, okay. So, okay. I'll just keep it here. Then the tower. Okay, yeah. Falling apart. Things are falling apart. Wow, star card. The blue color, I just love the color. The moon. Oh, they're talking together under the moonlight. Okay, that's also beautiful. Oh, okay, sun. It feels like, you know, in this card, like they are just discussing about their plans, they're dreaming about their future. So he's like showing. I'm just feeling, you know, what I'm feeling. I'm talking about that, you know. So it's like they're discussing about the future and all. They don't know what lies ahead, but they are like planning and all, something like that. I'm feeling. So they need to be cautious also. I don't know. That's what I'm getting. No, the picture, you know. I'm just talking what I'm feeling. Okay. Okay, and then they are together. You know, because after the moon, the sun. Wow, they're dancing. Okay, it's beautiful. I just love this. Okay, the judgment. Is this? Okay. Yeah. The world. We're finally reaching the top, and no one can stop this person. Like, he's so strong. He's like at the top of the mountain or something like that. Yeah. Yeah, like that I feel. Okay. I don't know if the light. It's okay. It's this. Okay. I don't know. I'm not sure. This light is okay. The next one. Okay. So this is the Akron. This is the wand suit here in this. Okay. This is Ace of Wand card. Okay. So when I first saw, I was like all mixed up. What is wand? What's like Ace? Because that is why I told this is like not a quite beginner friendly deck. Yeah. If you want to buy the first deck, don't buy this. Okay. So this is the Ace of Wands. Okay. Then we have Two of Wands here. Then we have Three of Wands. Then we have Four of Wands. 5 of wands. Then we have 6 of wands, 7 of wands, 8 of wands, 9 of wands, and this is 10 of wands. Okay, this is the page of wands. This is the knight of wands. This is the queen of wands. And this is the king of wands. Yeah, very strong. Okay, let's start. Yeah, this is the cup suit. That is the heart suit. That is the cup suit here. Okay, love, all about love, right? We have 2 of cups, like this person is like giving the crown. Wow, that's beautiful there. Then we have 3 of hearts, 4 of hearts, 5 of hearts, 6 of hearts, 7 of hearts, 8 of hearts, okay, 9 of hearts, 10 of hearts. Then we have the page of cups here, page of hearts. Then we have knight of cups, knight of hearts, the tortoise. Okay. Then we have queen of cups. And then we have king of cups. Okay, so next one is like, this is the sword suit, the leaves. Okay, so yeah, this is ace of swords here. Then we have 2 of swords, 3 of swords, that is 3 of leaves, I guess. Yeah, 4 of swords or leaves, 5 of leaves, okay. 6 of leaves, 7 of leaves. The art is very nice. 8 of leaves, look at that. 8 of swords energy there. She's lying down, she's so stressed, conflicted. Okay, the 9 of swords, leaves, and then we have the 10 of leaves. Okay, then we have ace of swords, page of swords here. Then knight of swords. Then we have queen of swords. Okay. Then we have king of swords. Okay. Oh, and this is the pentacle suit. That is bells in this. Okay. This is the ace of pentacles, ace of bells. Then we have 2 of bells. Okay. 3 of bells. 4 of bells. 5 of bells. 6 of bells. 7 of bells. 8 of bells. 9 of bells. 10 of bells. This is page of bells or page of pentacles, and knight of pentacles, queen of pentacles. Oh, she looks so happy. And then we have king of pentacles. Okay, so that's it guys. This is the flip through of this deck. Okay, did you like this deck? It's beautiful deck though. I just love the energy of this deck. It's like very warm and very like I had I was very happy when, that's the thing, Okay, anyways, so let's get into the pick a card reading. So I'll be shuffling this because this is an order. So okay, so I'm gonna shuffle this up. Okay, so let's see what are your messages from the fairies. So I'm gonna take 2 cards each. Okay, so let's see what are the messages from the fairies. So for my group number 1, 2 cards. Fairies, please give me 2 cards. Okay, so you got 1 card over there down. It's 2 over here. Okay, so this is for group number 1. 1 more card for group number 1. Group number 1, 1 more card, please. Okay, so you got 2 cards. So you have 3 cards. Okay, fine. Then for group number 2, fairies, group number 2, please give 2 cards for group number 2. Fairies. So what are the messages? So we got 1 card over here for group number 2, and then 1 more card for group number 2. Okay, so you got here again. So this is group 1, this is group 2. So let's pull out for a group 3 people. So let's see messages from fairies. We have 1 over here. Okay, and 1 more card for my group. Oh my god, you got, and I'm gonna take it. Okay, we have 3 cards, so I'm just gonna take it. Okay, I'm just gonna take it. That's it. I felt like taking, so I'm taking it. Okay, so let's pull out from these also, and then okay, so group number 1. Okay, that is pretty fast. I need to shuffle this. Okay, so for group number 1, give me a card, please. Okay, so this is for group number 1. For group number 2, people, give me a card for group number 2. Okay, so you have this, and for group number 3. Okay, we got this one. Okay, so now I'm gonna keep the crystals for you guys. So this tiger eye for group number 1. Okay, so this is for group number 1, tiger eye. So let's see, for group number 2 we have citrine. Okay, then for group number 3 we have bloodstone. Okay, so this is group number 1, group number 2, group number 3. Okay, so you know what you need to do, right? So select a pile intuitively, and description box you will be having the timestamp. So I'm gonna go with group number 1, guys. Okay, number 1, if you chose tiger eye, let's see what are your messages from fairies. We will do charms and letters also, guys. So the first card you got is Empress. Wow, guys. Then we have 8 of Wands energy. Wow. Whoa. Then we have 7 of Wands. Okay, 8 and 7. And then we have believe. Magic is there when you believe. So dream big things you can achieve. Yes, definitely you can achieve dream. You need to dream big things. I feel for this pile you're gonna get a lot of opportunities are coming your way very quickly with this 8 and 7. I feel like that only. You will have a lot of opportunities coming your way. So use your intuition, right? So the fairies are letting you know that it's important to use your intuition and believe in yourself, and when you believe you will be able to achieve whatever you want to achieve in your life. So I definitely feel good news is coming your way. Some opportunity is coming your way. So you need to be like the thing is, I feel like you need to be you need to trust your intuition, you need to trust your gut feeling, and you need to believe in the universe that everything will be all right. Okay, so that is what I'm getting here. Okay, so look at that. Yeah, you need to move forward. I feel like that. Keep moving forward. Okay, with the 7 of cups, maybe some of you are confused here. So I feel that is also is coming. So you, with the 7 of cups here, you don't know where to go. So so this is like a message here. Just go with your gut feeling and move forward. Keep moving forward because good things are happening, and definitely good things are happening because we have this three of we have 3 number, that is Empress number. Okay, so Empress, right? So look at that Empress, you will have, you will have all the thing you need. I feel like that. Okay, so trust your intuition because some good news. So fairies are telling you some good news is there coming. So what you want, believe in that, and you will be feeling like an empress here. You will have everything, you will have the abundance, because Empress is like a very abundant card. She is so kind and caring, and she has everything, she has every resources, right? So I feel like that. Okay, look at the treasure here, right? So you will have everything, the gold, look at that gold that she's wearing. So it's like you're gonna get everything you want. Okay, so just don't be confused here. So for some of you, you're not believing in your own creativity here. You need to believe in your own creativity, I'm getting here for some of you, and move forward with it. Okay, don't stop, just keep on moving forward because good things are happening for you. Okay, so for some of you, you're feeling stuck, you don't know where, you're feeling so confused. So just trust your intuitions, trust and believe. Okay, and you will be feeling so good because of this Empress energy. I feel you will be feeling abundant, you will be feeling good about yourself. So nurture yourself, take care of yourself. Okay, that is also coming here. I feel like you need to take care of yourself. Okay, so yeah, good things are coming, and some good news. I kind of feel like that also, or maybe some good news related to fertility. If you're trying to conceive, so maybe that is coming here, or maybe in your family someone is conceiving, so that is also I'm getting. Okay, for the main message I'm getting here, if you're confused, just trust your intuition, your creativity, and go with it. So maybe if you want to pursue oh my god, pursue your hobby, just go with it. I feel like that is what it's like. All over, you need to believe in yourself because you can make it happen. That is what I'm getting here. And yeah, with this tiger eye, I don't know, you need to protect yourself, ground yourself. Okay, that is also important here because maybe you're overthinking, and that's why you're not able to listen to your intuition. So just ground your energy. So let's see what are the charms. Okay, charms for my group number 1. Messages from fairies. Messages from fairies for group number 1. Okay, so you have. Okay. Yeah, look, I was talking about the intuition. We have this Horus eye. So yes, you need to trust your intuition here. You're feeling stuck. For some of you, you're feeling very stuck. You don't know where you need to go. You don't know what to do. Like that confusion is there. So maybe that's why you're feeling very angry or something about a situation. Okay, so so you have all the solutions here with this. Like love is also there, a lot of love is there, divine love is there. Maybe you have a partner who will give you love, or maybe you will meet someone or move in together or something like that. Maybe travel together, because with this 8 of Wands, I feel like you might travel with someone. So yeah, look at this, we have this dinosaur. It's like keep moving forward, don't stop. Look at this also, these guys are like, look, they are all they are moving forward, they're traveling, they're going to another place. So also yeah, that is what I'm getting here. Believe you can do it. Okay, don't feel stuck here, just trust your intuition. I feel like that, and keep moving forward. So yeah, you're hanging on to something. It's time. It's your anger. You need to let go of that. Okay, maybe you're angry about something. Okay, so you need to let go of that. You're protected. Okay, you're completely protected, and you're growing. Look, regenerating. So yeah, you can adapt if you want to travel, or you're like confused about whether you need to travel, whether you'll be you will adapt to a new culture or something. No, you will be able to adapt. Okay, you're like a lizard, you can adapt. Yes, you're healing. Love is important here. Don't uh, let go of the people who are not good for you. Don't keep that anger inside you, because it will not take you anywhere. So just let that go. Don't hang into a person who is not good for you. Just let it go. That is also coming here. Or maybe you need to move away from this person, or maybe you need to let go of this thing, and you're so confused because you are so used to this situation, but this situation is not good for you. So many of you, you need to heal, you need to get out of that. Okay, move somewhere, or that is I'm getting. If you're ready for that, I feel like that. And when you will do that, you will be in this Empress energy. I feel you will be feeling very good about yourself. You will be creative, you will be doing the things you want, you will be feeling free. Okay, and yeah, that is what I'm getting here. Dog. Okay, loyalty is there. So someone is there who is very loyal to you. I feel like that also is there. And yeah, we have this Taurus energy. Maybe it's a Taurus. Okay, so Taurus, yeah, I feel like that. Okay, look, we have flower, growth, abundance. Yeah, you're meant to be independent. With this cat, listen to your intuition. We have this also both. So it's important to listen to your intuition, guys. So that is what fairies are telling me, and believe in that. Okay, so let's see what your letters have to add to this. Okay. Okay, hi. So hi, new place, hi. Meeting new people. So you need to meet new people. I feel like that. Again, I, A, L and E. We have B. Okay, bell, but we don't have, but like some bell. Maybe you're getting some clarity or something like that. I don't know. For some of you, you are I don't know, I feel someone is confused here whether they should travel or move in together with someone. Okay, they might have offered you, and you're so confused whether you need to move in with them or not. So I feel you will be like an empress if you move in together. I don't know, I'm getting that. You need to let go of your fear. I feel like that. Oh, maybe that is also coming here for some of you. Okay. Or maybe for some of you, it's like a wedding proposal, wedding bell, but you're so confused, you don't know if you need to do that. I don't know why, but yeah, that is also coming here. Okay, okay, so that's all I'm getting. Okay, guys, so yeah, bye bye, take care, guys. If you chose Citrine, that is group number 2, this is your reading. So let's see what you got. Okay, you have Page of Wands energy here, and we have Queen of Pentacles. Okay, and then we have portals. Okay, where do we play? In nature, that's where the garden gate will take you there. Okay, so you need to spend some time in nature, and I feel some portals are opening for you. So let's pull out one more card, because we have 2 code cards here. So let's see one more for group number 2. Okay, so yeah, let's see, we got one there, that is like 3 of Pentacles. So it's like earth energy, a lot of earth energy here with this. So yeah, I feel for some of you it's like related to your work. So the angels are telling you, sorry, the fairies, we are talking about fairies, right? So the fairies are telling you that you will be recognized. I feel like that. So you have been trying very hard on something, you will be recognized. So if you're doing some business, I feel you will be receiving, you will be getting more opportunities. I feel like that is what it's coming. You will be feeling, you will be, and with this Page of Wands to Queen of Pentacles, I feel you are maturing. I feel you're maturing within yourself. Okay, so a lot of new beginnings are happening. So you have learned a lot, you're very passionate about something, and you're gonna go with it, and you will be able to balance your career as well as your family life. I feel like that. Okay, so with this Queen of Pentacles, I'm getting a kind of a business vibe, you know, if you do a home business, you're gonna grow your home business. I feel like that, and you will be recognized. Okay, if you're doing something related to social media, maybe you will, you know, you will grow that, people will recognize your work. That is what I'm getting here. So right now you're like in this page of wands energy, where you're very passionate about things, you want to do things, this is your passion, you're learning about it. Okay, so I feel like right now you're learning about it, you're learning, you want to do this, maybe it's your hobby that you want to make it as a career or something like that. If that is the scenario, I see that fairies are telling that you will be the Queen of Pentacles. Okay, so where you will be able to do that, you know, you might be able to grow your business or something like that, and that you will be rewarded, you will be recognized, you will be like a team player, maybe you will collaborate with someone or something, maybe people will recognize you for your work, they will appreciate you. Okay, maybe people will adore you. Okay, so that is what I'm getting. So maybe if you're an artist, if you post on social media, people will like will be buying that because they think that it's very good. So just go on with your passion. So new opportunities are coming here. Okay, with this green, you know, I feel the green vibe here, green color, so it's like connecting to nature, healing. Okay, that also I'm feeling here. So people are going to appreciate your work. That is what I'm getting here for you guys. So let's see what your charms have to add to this. So group number 4 people. Okay, a lot of charms. Yeah, look at that. Again, I was talking about this green color, and you got a green. Look, this is a green color flower for me, this charm. Like, so yeah, abundance, prosperity. So you will be growing something. So if so maybe if you're growing, you know, literally your garden will flourish. If you have a garden, you're planting flowers and all, it will be like very nice, beautiful. People will, wow, this is so beautiful. They will be like recognizing that. Okay, so yeah, that is what I'm getting here. Again, we got this Taurus and this cat in group 1. So yeah, so you are going to be independent, so doing something independently here with your business, self-employment or something like that. I'm getting here with this Taurus, financially growing, you know, that is also I'm getting here for you guys. Yeah, a lot of creativity. Yeah, creative ideas, maybe something related to creativity you're gonna do. Okay, so yeah, so now you're feeling a little bit stuck. I feel like that because of this Saturn energy, because it's to make you wise, you know. It's don't stop, guys, don't stop this, because it will grow. Right now maybe some of you are feeling stuck, because of the Saturn energy. Saturn, you know, Saturn makes you do things, you know, difficulties will come, obstacles will come, but it will make you wiser at that, you know. And we got this starfish in the first pile. Okay, so yeah, healing. Yes, with this green, heart chakra is healing for you guys. Green is like, I feel green is your color, your nature. You know, you can connect with Mother Earth, Gaia. I feel like that also. Look, we have the peacock. You are going to be so attractive. People are gonna, I feel like that, you know, people are gonna be attracted to your work. They will buy. If you're an artist, if you do something creatively, and if you're very much feeling stuck right now, remember in the future, you know, people will appreciate your work. I feel like that. Look, we have rabbit. Okay, abundance. Good, you know, things will move forward. Okay, yeah, you will be able to see clearly. You're gonna get the clarity. Look at this. We have plane travel, or maybe, you know, your social media, you will be attracting more international people or something like that. Maybe people will buy your stuff from, you know, around the world. I don't know, I'm getting that also here. So yeah, look, magic, you know, it's like magic. Opportunities will come towards you. I feel like that here. Be in your power, don't give your power, don't give up. Okay, and embrace your creativity. That is also I'm getting. You're going to attract many people. Look, spirituality with this lotus, many people are spiritual here. So I feel you need to embrace your spirituality here as well, and meditate. I feel while meditating you might get a lot of creative ideas, so take it, guys. It will be very, very beneficial for you. Okay, with this Taurus, financial needs will be met. I feel like that. Okay, so look, you're the free spirit. You have, you know, you will have the freedom. You have this unicorn and this this horse. So I feel you are meant to be free. You don't want to work under someone. You will not be working under someone. That is what I'm getting. Look, again we have this freedom here. Yeah, it's like you need freedom and you will get it. You will be in your power. You can adapt anywhere. Okay, so let's see if we have any words. Okay, let's see the letters. Okay, for group number 2. Okay, so what else? G. G, I, okay, A, we have P, we have O, we have R, we have S, we have T, D, N, P. Okay, okay, so do we have any letter? Yeah, big, something big is coming, guys. Look at that. We have big success. I feel like that's something big. Don't stop, guys. It's your destiny. I feel like that. We have D and A here to do something big, something great. Okay, that's cool. We have a pot. Yeah, don't say no. We have no. I feel it's time to keep moving forward with your goals, guys. I feel like that. Okay, some big changes are coming in your life. Don't give up. You're gonna rise. I feel like that. We don't have E, but definitely we have like RIS. You're gonna rise like sun. We had sun also, right? We had the sun charm here. You're gonna rise, guys. Don't give up. Put your effort. I'm getting that. Put your effort. You're gonna shine like a sun. Okay. Then anything else? So tin, we have a tin also. Okay, that means anything to you. Let's see. Okay, we have God. You connect with the divine here. We have this God. Okay, God is with you. Fairies are with you. Okay, they are around you. They're protecting you. Stay away from this BS, I guess. Okay. You're the GPS. Okay, so your intuition, God will give you the GPS. They will provide you the direction where you need to go. So meditate, guys. You will get the direction. I feel like that with this GPS. You will know where you need to go. Just meditate. Your intuition is so strong. I feel like that. Okay, and play. Don't be very serious about things. Just have some fun. Furries is all about fun, tease, and enjoy your life also. I feel like that. Okay, don't stress. Okay, so if we had a L, we had this gold also. I don't know why I'm getting gold, because we got pot of gold. Anyways, so that's all. I see abundance for you guys. Okay, you will be having clarity, you will be in your power, but yes, there is this Saturn energy here, so you will gain wisdom, guys. So yes, there will be obstacles, there will be challenges, but don't stop. Okay, we got this rat energy here, so someone is there who is jealous of you. Okay, so someone is not so happy about your success, or maybe they will say something bad to you, so don't take that kind of things. If people are like, some people will piss you off. I don't know. I'm getting that also. We have this PIES. Okay, I don't know. Yeah, maybe there are some people who will be very negative about that. Don't ignore that kind of people. Okay, guys. So yeah, we need to ignore them. Bye bye. Take care, guys. Group number 3, you got lots of cards, right? So this is that group. If you chose this bloodstone, okay, let's see what are your cards. Okay, we have High Priestess, and this bloodstone is all about intuition, creativity, and you got this High Priestess. Wow, so very, very intuitive pile. We have 7 of leaves, that means 7 of swords. Okay, so someone is very deceptive here, deception, or maybe you're not listening to your intuition. Okay, we have this Page of Cups over here, that also talks about intuition here, and we have 10 of Cups. Beautiful, right? So your intuition is very strong. Maybe for some of you, I feel like that with the 7 of swords energy, you're not listening to your intuition. You need to listen to your intuition. Okay, so someone over here is not listening to their intuition. So this is a message. If you listen to your intuition, you will have so much of love around you. Okay, and but this frog is it's related to prosperity, and frogs hops, like you can hop from negative people. You can have this, you can know who is good for you, who is not good for you, because you have that power. Okay, so use that wisely. I feel like that you need to use that wisely here. You need to use that wisely. Okay, so for some of you, you are not. Okay, so I'm getting that. So you're not using that wisely. You're not trusting yourself. Okay, so if you feel if someone is not trustworthy, believe it, because they are not. Because you have that. Okay, you have that. Look at that peacock feathers. Peacock feathers might be important to you. So you are going to learn a lot of things. Maybe for some of you, you're doing some spiritual work. So go ahead with it, because that will give you happiness. And I feel your family life will be very, very good. Okay, so we have this Page of Cups energy here. So Page of Cups is like someone is like there, he's someone younger than you. Is offering love. Maybe this person will, they will give you a lot of love. I don't know, I feel like that also. Okay, that is what I'm getting. But there, for some of you, I feel like you need to trust your intuition more. Okay, because that will give you success here. Okay, so there are some people who are not so good, so that. Okay, okay, so protect your energy. And you're very creative people. You can do a lot of creative things. You're very emotional people also, right? Creative, emotional, intuitive. So trust your intuition, because that will lead you to a path of success. You will be, you can, I feel, for the smile, you can easily have success when you trust your intuition. Okay, so that is what I'm getting. You're not trusting your intuition. Maybe you think that it is not correct, it's just in your head or something like that. No. Okay, so when you feel, if you see something, and if you see someone for the first time, and what you feel about them, it's like that is your intuition. That is what you need to trust your intuition. That is what I'm getting here. And if you meditate, you will get a lot of creative ideas that will give you so much of growth and success. Okay, so yeah, so someone is there who is not so happy about your success or your growth, but you have people also who are so happy about your growth, your success. They want to create a life with you. They're so happy. So there are friends, I feel like that there are friends who wants your growth. They want to see you grow. There are people around you. Good people are also there, but some of you need to know that who is good for you, who is bad for you, and your intuition will let you know that. So trust your intuition. That is what I'm getting. And just hop away from the negativity. Okay, you need to let go of the negativity, let go of your past, and move towards because you're moving towards a bright future. I feel like that. So yeah, that is what I'm getting. Okay, and with this Page of Cups, you need to have more fun. Okay, while you have more fun, you will be very creative also. I feel like that. Okay, or for some of you, new opportunities are coming in love. Okay, so just trust your intuition. That is what you're very, very intuitive with this bloodstone also. And we got this High Priestess. So yes, you are intuitive. And for some of you, you need to research more. You need to learn more. If you're doing something, just go and research. And yes, if you're doing some spiritual work, if you want to make it a career, just go ahead because you're very good at it. Okay, don't self-doubt. Okay, don't self-doubt, guys, because I see good things happening for you. Fairies are telling you, maybe for some of you, you're self-sabotaging yourself. That is what the Seven of Swords might be. You're thinking that no, you are not meant for success, you know, that kind of thing. You will not get there. Don't think like that. Just believe in yourself. Okay, so let's see what is. Yes, I was talking about play, right? Go have fun, guys. Step outside and feel the sun, breathe the air, play and have some fun. So with this High Priestess, for some of you, you might be like introverts who like always want to spend alone time. So just call your friends, have fun, spend time with your family if possible. Okay, so that is also I'm getting. So just get out of the house, you know, and get out of your comfort zone and just play. Okay, guys, so that is also I'm getting. You might be reading books all the time or working. Just take a break, guys. Nothing is gonna go. That is also I'm getting here. You're very creative people, and while meditating I feel you get a lot of ideas. Take that ideas, because that will be very beneficial for you, but at the same time have some fun energy. So fairies are all about fun, and you got this play card, so of course you need to have fun. Don't be so serious. Okay, and yes, if you feel that this person is negative, because just hop away. You are like a frog, you can hop away from this negativity. Okay, guys, so let's see what are your chances. Okay, I just have this word occult. Okay, so that is, if you want to do something with that, just go ahead. Okay, maybe this mirror, we have some mirrors crying or something like that. I just don't know, I'm getting that. If you're interested, go and learn it. Okay, something, yeah, that is coming here. I don't know why I got that. So let's see. Or maybe you want to learn this spiritual career, maybe you want to do this spiritually or something like that, and there are people around you, you know, who are telling don't do, because you know, they are giving you that negative vibe. So hop away from that kind of people. Do what you feel like, because you are gifted in this. That is also coming here. So let's see what else for this one. Okay, yeah, we got the look at this, we have this blue color, you know, like, yeah, third eye your third eye is open, guys. You can see clearly now. Just trust yourself. You're growing, you're regenerating, you're completely transforming. You're completely transforming as a new person. You are not the one. You're changing with this 5 number. Definitely changes are coming in your life. So get out of your comfort zone, go and play and have fun. Look at these grapes. Have fun, guys, have fun. Why are you not having fun? Just listen to good music, dance, guys. Do what you feel like. Just get out of the home. You know, this pentacles, yeah, yes, this you will be, you know, I feel financially you will be okay. Don't worry. Look at this. I feel you will get some good recognition also. If you're not getting that, you will get it. Okay, there are other, you know, maybe for some of you, you might be feeling that this person is not recognizing me or something like that. But even if that person doesn't recognize you, there are other people who will be recognizing your work, recognizing your efforts, right? So you don't have to think about that person, you know, that particular person. Just let them go. If they don't want to recognize your efforts, just leave them. Okay, there are other people. There will be so many other people who will be recognizing your efforts. Okay, so take that. That is what I'm getting here. Okay, yeah, you have so much of energy to do the work, and monkeys are also about play. So yes, play. All you need to do is you need to relax your energy, just go out and play. That is the fairies, you know, wants to tell. And when you are doing that, your creativity will be very high. I feel like that. Okay, very protective pile here, very spiritual pile. Okay, so you want to do something spiritually. For some of you, I'm feeling like that you are doing already, and you will get the success. Go with it. Just have some fun energy, get out, and don't care about other people who are giving you negative vibes. Just hop away from that. And for some of you, you're doubting your potential. Don't doubt your potential. Okay, because you will be appreciated. If you are not appreciated now, you will be appreciated in the future. Okay, So if you want to learn certain things, just go ahead. Don't let anyone stop you. Maybe there are people with the Seven of Swords energy, I'm feeling there are other people who are stopping you from doing something that you are passionate about. So don't, you need, if you do what you want to do, then only you will be happy. Okay, so that is also coming here. And because of other people, don't stress. You don't have to come to other people expectations. I feel like that. Maybe you need to you want to make your parents happy or your friends happy, but you cannot make others happy. If they don't feel happy, how can you make them happy, right? It's not your thing. You need to be happy, right? The only thing you can do is to be happy in yourself. You cannot make everyone happy. It's impossible. Remember that. Okay, so let's see what are your letters. A, O, again we have an A, T, we have a Q, we have a U, we have a L, we have a T, we have a I, we have a S. Okay, I don't know, we don't have a C, but we definitely have, occult, yeah, we don't have C, so something about occult, occult, I don't know why. It's like OCCULT, but we don't have C, but I told you about it, right? So I do feel like that. If you want to learn about it, if you want to get deep, if you want to dig in deeper, just go and deep it. Or maybe that is your destiny, to learn these things, to learn the spiritual books, to get into spirituality. Just that might be for you. Okay. And yes, definitely law of attraction. Maybe for some of you, you need to practice that. That will give you a lot of success. Okay, scrying, yeah, I don't do that, but I don't know about it, but for some of you it might be important. Mirror scrying or something like that. I don't know, I'm not so sure about it because I don't know about it, but maybe for some of you, if you want to do it, like that kind of things, or maybe the symbols or something like that, patterns, Markaba, something like that. Maybe you need to learn about that. I don't know what I'm getting, but yeah, something like that also I'm getting. I don't know. Anyways, yeah. Then anything else for you guys? It's all about your learning, spirituality, embracing that, loving that, being happy about yourself because you're gifted, guys. So just go with it. Don't. For some of you are not accepting it because you feel that other people will not accept it, but it's maybe you are meant to do this, so just don't ignore that. I feel you need to take action if you are feeling like that, if you resonate with that, right? So I'm getting that also. Maybe this is this is the thing you like, you're passionate about, just go for it. Okay, live your life, guys. That is what I'm getting here. Don't let anyone tell you that 9 to 5 job is only good, or you need to be an engineer, or you need to be a doctor. You can be anything you want. Okay, you can make money any way you want. Just go what your heart, your intuition is so strong, and you know that what you want, so just go for it. The other people don't know what you want, right? So if you even take that, what others want, but you will not be happy. That is what I'm getting here. You will never be happy in that job. Okay, so this is what, if this makes you happy, just go and do it, because you will be successful. I feel like that. And law of attraction, guys, law of attraction, just do that. Scripting, or maybe very different techniques, connect with water. There are so many things. Just research about that and go with it. Anything else? I'm getting the word quality. Quality. You are, you have so much. Your work will be very perfect. I feel like that. You're like you will produce quality work. That is what I'm getting here. Yeah. Actually, we have that. We don't have a why, but we do have that. Yeah, we do have, right? We don't have a why though. Yeah, I feel like that. You know, you're lit, okay? You're lit people, you're shining people. No one can take your shine, guys. You're like the lamp, you know, the bright, you know, like the candle. You have that much light inside you, okay? Wow. Yeah, I am getting ant also. So you need to do hard work also. Then you will be very successful, but you need to do hard work, okay? I feel you will produce quality things, something different, something unique. That is also I'm getting here, okay? Yeah, that is this. Okay, so that was like okay, very spiritual group there. So fairies are telling you to go out and play, guys. So play, have fun, be like the monkey, just jump from one that jumps from one tree to another and just have fun, guys. Okay, so that's it for group number 3. Bye bye.